Let's take it over to Tim Biggam, a pro trader at Delta Derivatives. Tim, I hope you're having a great day. Retail sales shot up 0.7%. So the American consumer is going strong, but China surprised with that rate cut. What's your take?
Yeah, I think we're seeing, good news be bad news and bad news be bad news for a while here, Angie. We see China certainly showing bigger signs of slowdown, while the U.S. is showing glimmers of recovery. But, the 10-year yield still well above that 4% level. I think that will be the key going forward here, simply because valuations are high on U.S. stocks. So I think it'll be interesting time in the market, plus seasonality. August, September, the two worst months for stocks. So some headwinds here for the short term. Longer term, I think it's a good time to be looking at a laundry list of stocks to add on further weakness.
You made a call on our show for a 5% drop in the stock market. Is this the start of that move lower?
Yeah, I think we'll probably, chop around and probably, maybe work our way a little bit lower here. Some stocks certainly have already, fallen sharply. Nasdaq has been a big underperformer after being a big outperformer. Oil stocks, the converse of that, those have been leading the rally. They're starting to run into trouble. So I kind of favor, Nasdaq over the oil stocks. And if you would ask me a year ago, I would have said the exact opposite, simply because of the performance differential.
What's your trade of the day?
Yeah, looking at some of these steel stocks, U.S. Steel in place certainly, but Cleveland-Cliffs is one that they were a suitor perhaps for U.S. Steel. They came out and said, no, we're not going to follow up on it. The stock is just hanging around 15, but the options market implied volatility went through the roof on the news here. So I'm just going out buying the stock around 15, selling these very expensive 15 calls out in September, more capturing that overpayment because of the news than anything else, and cushioning the downside. I think in this market environment, preservation of capital is more important than gaining capital.
Well said. Thank you, Tim.
You bet, anytime, Ange. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.